got a new car. All right, this is a 2002 Honda Civic EX. Pretty cool. It has the VTEC D17 motor, which is pretty sweet. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know what kind of build we should go for. I'm still trying to figure that out. We could go Mad Max, rust this thing up, put some off-road tires, decorate it for the Mad Max world. Or we could go performance-wise and try to tune up this D17 as best we can. New suspension, wheels, everything. We can go VIP build, make the interior all luxurious, insulate it. The interior's not too bad. It's pretty complete. Right now it's just dirty. So I guess that's the first thing we're gonna do. We're gonna clean it inside and out. These door cards aren't too bad. I could probably glue this back up. But everything's in here. I guess the only incomplete thing really is this door missing on there, but everything else seems to be there. But yeah, don't know what build to go for. Maybe or just commuter build, OEM plus. Or maybe something all in between. Getting some new speakers, insulate it, just a good commuter car. There's not too much wrong with it. I mean, it's old, so it has yellowed headlights, which actually I've seen worse. It has a cracked windshield. This is a salvage title, so I'm guessing it was an accident because there's a lot of overspray and like got some drip there, and they didn't even mask off this seal here. These are usually just black, unless Honda painted over. I doubt it. So this is rubber just painted over. Yeah, there's like little seal issue that someone's tried to repair. All the glass is still the Honda glass, which is interesting. Even the front windshield, which is cool. Yeah, I always like having real alloy wheels. These are hubcaps, and they're pretty beat up. The tires look good. They only look like a few years old. Never heard of these. They're called like waterfalls. Made in Turkey. Now the engine, what I see in here, we got a few leaks, unless it's been fixed, but I need to clean it up to see. I don't know if the camera's focusing. Huge amount of oil all down here. And so since it's coming from here, I'm thinking it was or is a valve cover gasket. Shouldn't be too bad. This battery is really small. Like, it looks like it could fit a bigger battery. I don't know, it's a lightweight battery going on here. It's a little bit corroded. This hood thing, the hood, what am I talking about? Hood stand. It sits, oh my god, on top of the, holy cow, battery, the internal. It doesn't seem normal. Like, if this little foam piece wasn't there, it doesn't seem right. I need to like find if that's supposed to be like that. Maybe the battery's supposed to be flipped around. But yeah, that's odd. I already changed the oil on it once. I just put like the cheapest conventional oil. Not the cheapest, cheapest at O'Reilly's, and a new filter. This is seemed like it was due for an oil change. I'll probably be doing another one. We might be doing other fluid changes in this, most likely. See how this belt is. Belt seems okay. Yeah, it's probably gonna, if you want to join me on this journey, come along, see what I do with this thing. I don't know what to do with it. But I guess the one thing I do know to do first is to clean it up. So let's clean it up. I'm having a hard time getting this sticky stuff off. I'm pretty sure it's sap. It smells pretty good when I scrape it, but let's see if we can get this off. There's a lot of it. Some of it's on the headlight. I got a lot of the bird poop off, but we're still cleaning it. All right. So first wash, I still got to get that sap off the top, but it's already looking, she's looking good. Look at that. I'll keep the name. Previous owner called it Honey. Honey the Honda, or Honda the Honey. Honey the Honda. We'll do some detailing on her. See how much time I spend. All right, now we're gonna try to attempt some different products to get this sap off. I know it can come off by doing a lot of elbow grease and scraping it, but I mean a lot of elbow grease. So, I mean, it's all over this car, so it'd be like to find something that dissolves it. So I'm gonna be trying some alcohol first. It's 99.9% isopropanol. I use that for my electronics when I'm cleaning them. But we'll see how it goes on this sap. Okay, so I soaked this microfiber alcohol. Let's see how it works here. Actually, that worked really, really well. Now, if you're doing this on your car and you have clear coat, because this car doesn't have much clear coat left, I'd probably rebuff that with some polish and then re-wax it. If you have a ceramic coat, I would imagine it would damage it. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, that actually worked really well. Sweet. So that's working. So I'll do the rest of these on the hood. But let's see how this alcohol does on the plastic. I would imagine okay too, since it's dissolving this. That is sweet. I didn't realize the first thing I tried was going to be a winner. That's pretty awesome. Okay, let's see how it does on this headlight. Let's put a little more on here. Okay. I imagine it's going to do pretty good. I was going to use Goo Gone, because Goo Gone's usually good for anything gooey, because it's an oil-based thing and it does well. But this alcohol, now this is 99% isopropanol, so it is stronger than normal ones. I got it at Ace Hardware, I believe, the chemical section. Look at that. Nice. Right, now I'm going to take out, see this side got hit the worst. Must have been where the tree was leaking its sap. I'll take out all those little spots and it's going to look nice. It's already looking really good. Looking good, honey. All right, we got them all off except one. Just wanted to film this final one. It's kind of crazy what the alcohol does to it. Like first it's like kind of opaque, and then once you wipe it with alcohol it goes clear, and then I'll do a wipe here. Single wipe clears up the drop. Another wipe, it's basically almost completely transparent now. One more wipe, really clear. It's crazy, the alcohol really dissolves it, because you can see it if I put a lot on there. The goo, it's kind of a yellowish sap, unless it's coming from the microfiber. It might be catching some microfibers, but and there we go. Look at that. Got it all. It's looking good. It's looking real good. Didn't expect to do that good of a job detailing right now. I was gonna do that later, but got a new cat here. I don't know who this is. Another neighbor cat. Okay. All right, so I'm done with this today. She's looking good. Exterior clean. Got the bird poop off. I got the sap off. And say hello and goodbye to this new cat. I don't know who this is. She seems nice. Don't know if it's a girl or boy. Yeah, nice kitty. Signing off, kitty. Till next time. I'll see you guys next one. Day 2. This is day 1 with it. We'll see when day 2 happens, but got another kitty hanging out. I don't know, that's funny to me. Making friends with the neighborhood cats. Alright guys, see you on the next one.